How much is this?
I don't think this would fit you.
Well, I didn't ask if it would fit. I asked how much it was.
How much is this, Marie?
It's very expensive.
It's very expensive.
Look, I got money to spend in here.
I don't think we have anything for you. You're obviously in the wrong place. Please leave.
Excuse me, what is this?
A towel,
Yeah, I
sir?
think I asked for a clean, white towel, not the rag that you wipe the floors with.
They just came from the laundry. They should definitely be clean.
Look, if I tell you they're dirty, they're dirty. It's simple as that.
Let me get you another one.
That would be perfect. And if they're not even clean, I'm gonna wipe my hands on you. Do I make myself clear, concierge Nina?
Yes, sir.
Perfect. And another thing, I'll be back here in about 4 hours. And you will check me into the same room pretending that you see me for the first time. Do I make myself clear? Should I repeat that? Did you remember all that?
Yes, sir, as you wish.
As you wish. Perfect. I like that. Great progress. Hey, look at me. For the first time, okay?
Hi, miss. Naglo-load ka ba? Oo. Magkano patong? Sa akin o sa load?
Masarap ba yung asawa ko? Masarap ba? Masarap ba?
Sarap. Sarap. Sarap kaya.
Magsalita.
Okay, go.
Masyadong maraming nagpapakasal ng June. Ang suggestion ko, December na lang. Ang tagal naman po nun. Bakit? Ilang taon kayo nakapaghintay? Ano naman yung ilang buwan? Para naman kayong may hinahabol. Oh? Teka, buntis ka, no? Aminin mo, buntis ka! Ako? Ako po, buntis? 3 taon po akong kumembot sa Japan. Imposible po yun. Bakit? Hindi ka ba pwedeng mabuntis sa Japan? Paano naman po ako majojontis? Sa 3 taon namin ang anak ninyo. Hindi naman po kami you know.
Ang gaganda ng mga ex niya. Tapos ako. Eto. Hay. Sobrang ganda lang.
Si Kylie Padilla nga ng Encantadia, hiniwalayan pa. Tayo pa kaya mukhang engkanto? Porkit maganda yung mga picture ko sa social media ay naka-filter na agad. Di ba pwedeng photogenic lang? Tapos ikaw, putang inang inggitera.
Be, nabasa mo yung post ni Mildred? Hindi. Anong meron? Nabubulok na daw siya sa bahay nila. Ha? Paano siya mabubulok? Plastic yun.
Isa ka bang certified chismosa? Chismis dito. Chismis doon. Walang magawa sa buhay kundi i-chismis ang ibang tao. Ipagpatuloy mo lang yan. Dahil sa pagchichismis mo, ay marami kang magigibang tao. Kaya, ipagpatuloy mo lang hanggang mamatay kang demonyo kang pisting yawa ka.
That is fake. Yan ang fake! Kasing fake mo! In case hindi mo ako narinig, umalis kayo dito! You have to get out of here! Para ulitin ko sa'yo! Pinili ko ang lupang ito kaya trespassing ka!
Do anything in the bathroom? Nothing?
I was putting some lipstick on, and then I was getting my phone.
So what'd you put on?
Lipstick on.
Oh, whose was that?
It was my lipstick.
Oh, it was?
Yeah.
Did you ask anybody if you could put it on?
I asked myself.
Did you see how it looked?
Yeah.
Well, if you could describe it, how would you describe it?
No, like.
So whose lipstick is that?
Mine.
You bought it?
Yeah.
Where'd you buy it at?
My Yipik?
Yeah.
I bought it from Home Depot.
Ah, so you're the infamous student Shim, huh?
누구야, 당신?
And why don't you answer my goddamn question first? What'd you do to my brother Logan?
로건의 형이십니다.
Ikaw ba ang babae ng mister ko?
Oo.
Hiwalayan mo na siya.
Bigyan mo muna ako ng 10,000 pesos.
10,000? Ha? Para sa hayop na yon?
Small world. Sophia. Miss, pakicheck nga kung may color pink kayo nito. Thank you. Pakicheck na rin ang color black, please. Gusto ko yung walang gasgas. Parang virgin. Hindi laspag. Right now. Yes, ma'am. I'll check it for you. Arte ng bruha. In fairness, maganda siya. Are you here to make a scene? Palayain mo na sa Eric. Hindi ka na niya mahal. Alam mo, Diana, minsan nakakalimutan mo kung sino ang kaharap mo. Huwag mo akong tinatalikuran.
Ayan! Tinatalikuran pa ba kita? Sa susunod, pipiliin mo yung babanggain mo, ah.
Walang hiya ka! And by the way, black is not a color. It's a shade, bitch.
Tama hinala ko. Pinintay lang kitang magkamali. Ngayon nagkamali ka.
Wait, Blanche, honey, aren't you forgetting something?
Oh no, I never wear underwear.
Alam niyo, hindi ako pala mura pero tangina pag below the belt na. Nagtatransform ako into demonita. Ingat ka, baka hindi mo kaya.
Inday? Yes, madam. I go, okay? Wake up, sir. You cook, sir. Ha? Wake up, sir, madam. I cook, sir. Yes. Sir, wake up. You cook, sir. You...
Ayoko itong ginagawa mo sa sarili mo!
Ano ngayon sa'yo? Bakit ba lagi mo akong pinakikalaman? Yung kilos ko, yung galaw ko, yung
dahil mahal nga kita! Mahal kita!